Thanks for all the detailed explanation. But in fact, I do think that your question requires a little bit more in-depth investigation. But if you want, then you can book a call with me, which is chargeable. But let me try to answer your questions over here now. First thing first, you showed there is some screenshot you put in, which I'm not going to put it in because each question only gets a few minutes treatment. So why the old T1 and T2 ads created goes into learning phase when you did not change anything on the old T1 and T2? I don't know. Technically, there are many reasons that trigger learning. One of the probable reason is because it actually did not completed learning. So yeah, that's one of a possible reason, meaning that in order to complete learning, you need 50 conversions within 7 days to complete the learning stage, to exit learning stage. So that could be because of that. And second thing is, you were saying that second question you have here is, you say when you change ads creative under the same ad campaign and ad set without entering a new learning phase. No, you have to remember when I talk about significant change, there are a few things that are significant change. Okay, changing your audience, changing your objective, changing your budget significantly, and of course, changing your creative being one of them. So when you change your creative, you will actually re-trigger the learning. Okay. However, okay, so you're talking about how can we switch ads creative correctly? I think whatever you explain is correct, meaning that when you have, let's say, ad one and the promotion is ad one is promotion for May, for example, May has ended, you off it, and then within the same campaign and structure and ad set structure, you start another new ad which is for June promotion. That's perfectly okay. You see, a lot of people are very cringe about all this learning limited. Bro, as long as it's not killing your campaign, because that is just one terminology to tell you which state your campaign is in or your ad is in. As long as you see all vitals remains all good, meaning that all your CTR and all these costs and all that in comparison to your previous campaign, everything is doing more or less the same on par, then it's fine, right? Because learning is not going to kill you. Learning limited is not going to kill you. So that's what I think. But if you want a more in-depth discussion, then you can book a call with me, which is available for everyone as well. Now, the other thing that I probably can see here is, I mean, that's what I think for these 3 questions that you have. Okay, thanks for the questions. But if you guys want to learn, how to build this 2-step funnel, because obviously Joel talks about the 2-step funnel framework, which is my signature framework. You can actually learn this in my 6-day challenge. Now, my 6-day challenge is a very structured learning, which is broken into 6 hours. We used to run this in the 6 days in a row, but we figured not many people wants to wait for 6 days. So we actually put it automated now. You can come in, it will be 6 lessons and 1 hour each. All you do here is very simple. You finish 1 lesson and there'll be a homework. You complete that. When you think you're ready, you start with the next lesson and there will be homework. Then you complete that. When you're ready, and follow. 6 lessons later, I guarantee you, you'll be able to do Facebook advertising in an entirely different way. I'll teach you how to lay the foundation, right? I'll teach you how to find the target audience. I'll teach you how to choose the right objective. I'll teach you how to design an effective Facebook ads, and I'll exactly walk you through how to set up exactly, build a Facebook ads campaign using my step 1, tier 1, and tier 2 framework. Everything with detailed walkthrough. So you're not going to miss a thing. To be very frank, you're going to really learn the most important thing to really build your Facebook ads campaign the right way. Because a lot of you understand that you're probably running ads on Facebook, but you're seeing some fluctuation, sometimes good results, sometimes not that good, right? So 6-day challenge is the right answer. 6-day challenge is the class that you should attend. Now that we have already turned it into an evergreen campaign, you can come in anytime. You don't need to wait for it anymore. You don't need to check the date and time whether you're available. Just start it by, and you can start right away. Anytime you want. You can learn it before you sleep, anytime you want it. So it's the best thing ever, right?